Hey guys, Bill, the Kansas Flamingo Chef, and thanks for joining me again. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share, and let's make a Mai Tai. Now, if you go to a bar, a lot of times you see somebody order a Mai Tai and they bring out this crazy red thing. Why is it red? There's no grenadine in a Mai Tai. There's no cranberry juice in a Mai Tai. What in the world are they putting in it to make it red? Well, they're not making a Mai Tai. So you need a glass ice. I've got a nice pretty Flamingo glass here. You need a shaker with some ice in it, a jigger and a strainer. You're going to need some lime juice, orange juice, some orgeat syrup. So orgeat is O-R-G-E-A-T. Makes no sense why it's called orgeat, but that's what it is. It's almond. Orange liqueur. Now, you can use any orange liqueur you want. Really doesn't matter. You need 2 different kinds of rum, and you can use any kind of rum you like as long as you've got a gold rum and a dark rum. So for my dark rum, I'm going to use some Zacapa. I'm going to use this one. I like this product. This is Dory's, or Dorley's rather. It's a medium rum from Barbados. Really good. Start with an ounce of the dark rum and an ounce of the gold rum and an ounce of the orange liqueur. Sorry, a half an ounce of the orange liqueur. Then we need an ounce of orange juice and a half ounce of our orgeat and about a half an ounce, give or take. I'm usually a little lighter on this, of lime juice. Shake that together. Strain over ice. Garnish with a cherry and an orange, whatever you, piece of pineapple if you got one handy, looks nice. That's the color of Mai Tai is supposed to be. It's not supposed to be red. Enjoy. And that's good. Until next time, eat fabulous, drink fabulous, like, share, and subscribe. And hit me up if you got a drink or a food item you'd like me to make. Have a great day.